What's going on YouTube? So a few months ago, the good people at Under Armour Canada hit me up and they invited me to create my very own custom Curry 5 through the Under Armour Icon platform. So Under Armour Icon allows customers to go online, select their favorite silhouette, and then pick and choose the colors, the patterns, and all the other options that are included to create their very own custom sneaker. So I went on the website, did my thing, and then last week, my sneaker finally arrived. So these Icon Curry 5s come in this really dope, really clean box. At the top, we have this Icon logo with this iridescent finish. And then on the front of the box, we have the Under Armour logo. And then this box opens up like a flap, like so. So before I show you guys the finished product, these Curry 5s through the Under Armour Icon platform retails for $170 US or 220 Canadian dollars. So if you guys are interested in creating your very own Curry 5, be sure to visit Under Armour's website right after this video. So as for my design, I took my time with the website and I was kind of debating whether I wanted to go with something safe that I would actually wear, something really loud and really out there to turn heads. But at the end of the day, I sort of realized that this is a very unique opportunity as I can kind of basically choose anything I want to do. The Icon platform allows you to upload your very own image that's personal to you, and that image gets printed on the shoe itself. So with that said, I like to call this sneaker the Under Armour Icon Curry 5 Faces of Shane. If you guys haven't heard by now, Shane Goo is a nickname that I've had since I was a kid, and it's a not so serious nickname which I now use as basically my alter ego, which represents the other half of myself after my 9-to-5 job, where I'm allowed to be creative, flex my creative muscles, and deliver content for you guys. So long story short, for this shoe, I decided to put different iterations of my very own face in cartoon form throughout the entire bottom half of these Curry 5s. So the story behind these faces is back in university when I should have probably been listening to the lectures. I was a bit more occupied messing around with Photoshop and creating these funny takes of my face on either famous celebrities, specific stereotypes, cartoon characters, and so on and so forth. So by the time I graduated from university, I had amassed about over 100 designs of these faces. So if you guys take a closer look at this toe box area, you can see, for example, there's me as a surgeon, there's me as Archie Andrews, Bob Ross, Austin Powers, there's me as a Chinese vampire, there's just classic me right in the center, there's grade 9 me with the glasses and that little stash that was growing at the time. What else do we got here? We got me as Dennis Rodman. There's at the very top, you might not be able to see it, it's covered by the lace, but there's me as Kanye West, me as the Quaker Oats guy. We got Two-Face, we have me as a Sikh, and then as we move on to the midfoot area, there's Dr. Manhattan from The Watchmen, there's me with dreads, me as a chef, there's an England football fanatic, and then let's see, what else do we have here? There's me as a early 2000s Asian gangster with those long bangs that are dyed blonde. So as we move to the back heel, so we have here high top fade, we have Canadian Olympics fan, SWAT, World War I soldier, there's Santa Claus, Wendy's, Spock. What else do we have? There's, you might not be able to see this one, but there is Steve Jobs, there's me as a nerd, Pharaoh, Peter Pan, and the list goes on and on. But yeah, these Curry 5s, these are definitely really special to me. I can finally say that my face is on a shoe. So with that said, I probably am not gonna wear these and I'm not gonna give you guys an on-foot look, unfortunately. And I don't know if you guys agree with me, but I definitely feel like these look a lot better on display than on my feet. So a huge shout out goes out to Under Armour Canada for supporting my vision and allowing me to put my face on a sneaker. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and be sure to visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys liked this video, even though it was not your typical review, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.